Ô cha cha nó nên chỉ trong lẽ ra u sẽ có một thứ lo có yên yêu cho lu vì có tu sinh dữ chính sinh chính cha có thầu hát chú có thể nữ hà ta có nhỏ tí hông mùa lời xưa yo tháng thứ mà cho chỉ có lô sẽ phát lo lư ta cho buồn cha tao ý tu lê có lời nhóm la tên nó chỉ một lời yo plan il lenzi jo nhỏ số hồn tu te yo sha lời leng neจะกูyo ta yo cheng có nhỏ là có tu mo yo chỉ cho có cheจะกูyo lệ cha là cu yo to chỉ tao có cha mong trong khó có thể mong thọ có thao thay đời luôn nhỏ con lao thì yo le ta cho một lo yo thôi you lu có tu ý ra ti trong có chỉ mong thâu có thâu lại đời luôn nhỏ của lâu giờ lúc ta cho một lô yo thôi you lu có tu ý gian gì
Got a call out of the blue, it shook me deep. 1,000 thoughts, not ready for grief. Dropped everything, hit the road, heart racing fast, hoping somehow this wasn't the last. Found you lying there, silence in the air, still and cold, God, you know that wasn't fair. Wanted to shake you, call you back to life, but time had closed what I couldn't fight. Goodbye, Dad, don't you worry about us. Rest now, your work is done. We'll be fine and take good care of Mom. Go to heaven now, where you belong. Though it's hard to let you go, it feels so wrong. Ooh, goodbye, Dad. On that drive, my mind ran wild. Memories flashing back me as a child. The fights we had, the words unsaid, wishing I could take back all I said. We could have laughed more, understood more, shared another moment, one more day. But time is cruel and doesn't wait. Now it's just memories that narrate, and I'm laughing to myself, it hits me now. Ain't that always the way it goes somehow? But now it's too late, can't change the past. Ain't that always the case? And the way it goes, it lasts. Goodbye, Dad, don't you worry about us. Rest now, your work is done. We'll be fine and take good care of Mom. Go to heaven now, where you belong. Though it's hard to let you go, it feels so wrong. Wait and see, watch me grow from eternity. I'll say goodbye one last time, but you're never gone. And thank you for being my dad. Ooh, bye, Dad. In this moment, the time has come, we must part. Please turn to give one last look before you go. Not a word is needed because I already know the love that you have given to me will remain forever. You are leaving, you really are leaving. Will there be a day we meet again? Farewell to you. Day after day, I will remember all of the love that you have given to me until the last day.
leaving this time I will probably never see.